This is a short video about the major components of an IEP. We will be looking at 8 specific components of an IEP to help you better understand the special education services that it provides.
This is the first major component of an IEP. Here, teachers assess what the student's current level of academic performance is. This will help later on in the IEP process to see what level the students are at now compared to where they want to be.
These are the goals that the student should strive for in a 12-month period through the services needed. These are called the short-term objectives or benchmarks. The goals include criterion, time frame, location of services, and evaluation method.
This is where the IEP describes how to measure the student's progress and how to measure progress in the future. The people present at the meeting will discuss the student's progress in relation to their goals and what they can do to better reach those goals. This also includes the criteria for mastery, which is the method used to measure the student's achievement of that goal.
The next component is description of special education services. This includes special education services and related services. These are the services that may be needed to further a student toward their individualized goals. This includes how frequently a student will be needing those services.
This component of the IEP states the extent that the general education classroom can be used while maintaining the least restrictive environment. This section must specify the amount of time that students will be in the general education classroom and the reasoning behind that decision. This also must explain any situations where the child receiving services will not be interacting with non-disabled students while in the general education classroom.
According to IDEA, individuals receiving special education services must also participate in district or statewide standardized assessments. This part of the IEP explains testing accommodations that the student will receive for those exams. These could include having an aide present in the testing room or getting special equipment and testing materials.
The IEP must include the following information regarding the duration of services: a projected beginning and ending date of services, frequency of the services, where they will be delivered, and how long they will be provided.
By the age of 16, a student's IEP must include goals for the student's transition to a post-secondary program and explain the services needed to reach those goals. Depending on each individual's needs, these transition services can include instruction, related services, community experiences, aid for employment, and acquisition of daily living skills.
Thanks for watching. We hope that this is a helpful source that you can use to navigate through an IEP.